Hello students, this is a start of a new module which is network monitoring for network engineers. So we will be discussing about network monitoring in this module. So first up, a question to be asked is what is network monitoring? So we will be discussing now what is network monitoring. So considering its definition, the term network monitoring is very critical for IT industry. Network monitoring is a crucial IT process where all networking components like router, switches, firewalls, servers and virtual machines are monitored for fault and performance. Moreover, these devices are evaluated continuously to maintain and optimize their availability. So high availability, fault tolerance, performance evaluation is very important when you are considering network monitoring of your network. So what do we monitor with network monitoring? So what are the things we monitor? Network monitoring systems include softwares and hardware tools that can track various aspects of a network and its operations are such as you can see below. We monitor traffic, we monitor bandwidth utilization, we monitor the uptime of the devices, and moreover, it also provides status updates of the endpoints and devices in your network. So core objective of network monitoring is the clear visibility into the network. So this kind of outlook is shown in front of you. Any network monitoring tool will show you this kind of output. It will show you the devices. The up devices, you can see over here, 4 devices are up and down devices are down and the number is 1. So 1 device is down. The ports shown over here are as follows. Total there are 18 ports, 13 ports are up, 0 port is down. And status of sensors are also shown. So this overview or the clear visibility into the network shows you the every minute detail of your device, the devices that are up, the devices that are faulty, the sensors that are working or not. Moreover, alerts generated are also a crucial part. Talking about alerts issues, you can see over here you can get the information of the issues encountered by the devices. You can see over here the interfaces with issues and problems that can also be identified, the CPU utilization, the RAM utilization, all of these aspects can be seen in a network monitoring tool. Let's look into the job posting for network engineer. We will be particularly seeing the JD concerned to network monitoring for a network administrator. You can see over here a job posting for a network engineer on the website indeed.com. You can see over here the second point over here. It demands from a candidate that maximum network performance by monitoring performance, troubleshooting network problems and outages, scheduling upgrades and collaborating with network architects on network optimization. So it means that for a network engineer, you need to monitor your network, enhance the performance, schedule upgrades, troubleshoot the outages, and keep the uptime to maximum. No downtime can be afforded. So this is very important for a network engineer. You can see over here the job being posted for a network engineer. Again, another job posted over here. You can see the second point, maximizing uptime for users. So you cannot afford a downtime and therefore troubleshooting issues, monitoring your network and getting the updates from the end devices is very important part of the network engineer job. So it means that network monitoring impacts your business. So how network monitoring impacts your business we can see over here. Businesses rely on their network to perform at the levels they require to satisfy their clients' demand. So they cannot afford any downtime. Secondly, performance issues. Performance is very important. Optimal performance is needed. Performance issues and network outages are not only infuriating to deal with, they are also incredibly costly to your company. So you cannot afford any performance issues. or moreover any network outages. For business of all sizes, our network performance solution allow you to proactively deal with performance problems and gain valuable insights into your network. So ultimately, a network engineer should keep this perspective in mind, the business perspective. Can't afford the cost of downtime. Secondly, proactive monitoring impacts the bottom line. The technical perspective, lean IT teams need automation, manual monitoring eats up time and resources, visibility is a must have. So this is ensured by having a monitoring tool, a monitoring software in your environment. Thank you.